Correlation analysis. Problem. A group of 25 students from the science section has been surveyed on the number of hours devoted each day in playing online games and their average. The researcher wants to find out if playing online games affects students' academic performance. The responses are summarized in the following tables. Step 1. State the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. HO where R is equal to 0. HO where R is not equal to 0. Step 2. Determine the tabular value. In order to determine the tabular value, you must calculate the degrees of freedom and know the level of significance and its tail test. Step 3. Determine the computed value. You must first determine the correlation coefficient in order to get the computed value. This is the manual computation on determining the correlation coefficient where you list all the data on a table containing 5 columns. Then substitute the obtained values to get the correlation coefficient. For an easier way in obtaining the correlation coefficient, you can use the Microsoft Excel. First, you must input the data. Then click on the FX and type the word correlation, then press OK. Input the data needed on the array 1 and array 2, as shown in the image, then click OK. Step 4. State the conclusion. Since the tabular value is greater than the computed value, we must reject the alternative hypothesis and accept the null hypothesis. HO where R is equal to 0, meaning playing online games doesn't affect the academic performance of the student. As you can see, the graph is a sum negative correlation, meaning a decrease in one requires to an increase in the other, where R must be greater than -1, but less than 0. In the computed value we obtained -0.33, which fits the interpretation correctly. If we look into the trend line, you will see that not all dots fall into the trend line.